The American Bully is a small to large breed of dog which reaches 50 cm and 60 kg. It was developed in the 1980s. The breed was first recognized by the American Bully Kennel Club in 2004. There are 4 varieties of bulldogs, which are Standard, Pocket, XL, and Classic. The American Bully is highly adaptable and it is trainable and can be a loving companion. The lifespan is between 8 to 13 years and they litter 4 to 8 puppies and come in varieties of colors. They are short, smooth, they have a short, smooth, and glossy coat.